Daddy, I would take a video of it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What do you want to say in the video?
Daddy, I want to take a video
Of you with the flowers?
Yeah, on my head.
Okay, and let's pretend like we're taking a video. What do you want to say?
Daddy, I want to real do it.
Okay, let's really do it.
Dad, but I want to real do it, not pretend.
Do you see these numbers right here?
Yeah.
That means we're taking a video right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad. Can I come look? See?
Yeah. Somebody's hanging on my chair.
One fell out. Dad, we'll put this one back in it. And Mama. How you put up? There we go. I'm gonna put these two in my hair also. Daddy,
What's up?
can I put one by your ear? Will be nice if you say yes. She want me to. Okay, I'll do it for you. I'll put indoors. My.
Is it hard?
You put it right up here.
Oh.
Face the flower right here. Put the flower right here. And the green goes behind his ear like this.
Oh. And I don't help. There you go.
Nicely
There you go, Daddy.
Thanks, buds.
Daddy,
Yeah?
is there did they all of them go
Here's
pink?
one.
All of them they ups.
Here, you can put it in his buttonhole. Right here. Right here.
You have flowers there, Daddy.